stations, cable television, any updates. Additional information, visit the National Weather Service in Jacksonville website on the internet at twi.gov/x. Repeating, an aerial flood warning has been issued until 11:45 a.m. for the following counties in Florida: Clay, Duval, Nassau, and St. Thomas. This is a river warning. The National Weather Service in Jacksonville, Florida has issued flood warning for the Black and Middleburg from this evening to Thursday morning or until the warning is canceled. 5:45 a.m. today, the stage was 11.2 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Flood stage 16.0 feet. Forecast. Rise above flood stage by this evening and continue to rise to near 17.0 feet by tomorrow early afternoon. The river fall below flood stage early Thursday morning. Impact at 16.0 feet. Lazy Acre Road begins flood. Lowland flood and boat docks are affected. Lake wind advisory in effect until 8 p.m. this evening. For Hinton, Columbia, Baker, Nassau, Ball, Union, Bedford, Clay, St. Johns, Alachua, Putnam, Flagg, Marion counties, the National Weather Service in Jacksonville has issued a lake wind advisory, which is in effect till 8 p.m. this evening. Timing through this evening. Winds southeast 20 to 25 miles per hour, with gusts to 35 miles per hour. Impacts, magnitude, boating dangerous for small craft. Precautionary preparedness actions. A lake wind advisory is issued winds of 20 to 25 miles per hour. Gusts of 30 to 39 miles per hour are expected. Small boat will be especially prone to capsizing. Boaters in the advisory area should avoid open water and stay close to shore and wind protected inlets. High-profile vehicles should use extra caution when traveling as well. Hazardous weather outlook for the following counties in Florida: Clay, Duval, Nassau, and St. Johns, and the following marine locations. Coastal waters from Altamont, Sound, Flagler Beach out 20 nautical miles. Waters from Altamont, Sound to Flagler Beach out 16 nautical miles. And the following counties in Georgia: Camden, Cornell, watch 400 to 4 in effect until 2 p.m. this afternoon. A slight risk of severe thunderstorms today and tonight across northeast Florida. This outlook is for East Florida, South Georgia, and the adjacent coastal waters. For today and tonight, a slight risk of severe thunderstorms is for northeast Florida. Through tonight, the main threat is damage ends, with a small risk of a tornado. The conditions will prevail through this evening, with a wind advisory for northeast Florida until 8 p.m. Periods of heavy rain will continue across most of the area, with a flood watch in effect. Hazardous conditions can be expected in the waters today. A small craft advisory for the coastal water and high risk of recurrence on area beaches. For Tuesday through Monday, locally heavy rainfall will continue at midweek. Hazard conditions will continue on the waters into midweek, with a small craft advisory for the coastal waters and high risk of recurrence on area beaches. Spotter activation is not requested this time. For additional information, visit the National Weather Service in Jacksonville website.